how are you? I hope you are fine. As you know, I am bringing new crypto project in which you can invest and get profits. So today we bring a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Creation Network. Creation Network has this amazing token project. This project is launched in 3 days. Then you can see this more detail about this project. So guys, before waste our time, I am starting the video. Creation Network guys, you can check here, more detail coming soon after launching. You can see the Creation Network AI tools, Creation Network integration. You can see this more detail. You can see this. You can play this video and watch this video completely. You can check here. Hello everyone. You can see this video about this project. You can watch here video completely. Then you can see this more detail. You can see this. You can contact us. You can join this project on following social media platform: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Discord, and NECA. You can check here whitelist and airdrop getaway. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this more information about this project, Creation Network AI, ICO launch, and airdrop participation form. You can check here, you can fill this form, then you can participate in whitelist. You can check here, secure your spot in the CRNT, ICO, pre-sale and airdrop. No whitelist draw required. Get ready to claim your share in the Creation Network.ai revolution. Participate in our CRNT, ICO, pre-sale allocation and 50,000 airdrop without the hassle of a whitelist draw. You can check here. All you need to follow us on Twitter, join our Telegram group, complete the whitelist form. You can see this is your chance to join a groundbreaking project that combines AI and blockchain to transfer content creation, e-commerce and social media management. Act fast and don't miss this opportunity to be a part of the future of data innovation. So guys, you can check here. We see how to fill form to participate in whitelist. So first of all, you can enter your email address, then you can enter your BSC BP20 wallet address. Then you can enter your Twitter username. Have you followed us on Twitter? You can select now, yes or no. Then you can see this, follow our Twitter account. Click the link to post below and retweet. Then paste the link to your retweet in the space provided below. You can check here. Nega, you can enter your Telegram username. Have you followed us on Telegram? You can join us now, yes or no. Then you can email us at marketing@creationnetwork.ai. You can visit our website. You can check here. This project have two websites about Creation Network and Creation Network token. You can check here. You can connect us on social media, Telegram communities. You can click here. Then you can go to Telegram community. Then you can join now and give information about this project. You can check here Telegram announcement link, Instagram link, Twitter pay link, YouTube link, Facebook link. You can join now. Then you can submit now, then you can participate in whitelist and next back to the home page and see this more detail. You can click here and see this Creation Network token detail. You can check here Creation Network token detail. You can see this innovative platform empowering global internet users. Explore our AI platform. Creation Network, you can check here stage 1 ingestion, stage 2 acceleration, stage 3 momentum. You can see this. And guys, you can check here, stage will end in 22 days, 23 hours, 50 minutes remaining. Then these stages will end. And guys, you can check here, you can start stacking now. You can see this, then you can claim now. And guys, you can see this, you can check here, total token release token now. And guys, we see this, why choose us? Why choose CRNT token? Empowering AI tools and product, cultivating AI content economy, content industry, revolutionized revenue distribution. Empowering an AI tools and products, CRNT powers current and future products and tools that produce and govern cutting-edge AI content production models. Creation Network infrastructure supports the development and deployment of AI content production models and economics. Content industry revolutionized. CRNT disrupt the $75 billion content and design industry by revolutionizing global scale. Guys, you can read carefully. Guys, you can check here. Creation Network shares 50% of the revenue with the CRNT token stackers who are platform investor. And guys, you can check here who we are, catalyst for global innovation. You can check here consolidated futures, efficient fee management, all-in-one destination, continuous innovation, distribution across platform. You can check here with a global audience in mind, the platform goal to empower individuals and help them become skilled professionals in various fields such as art, marketing, writing and more. You can check here, then you can click here, then you can purchase this token. So guys, you can click here and see this. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here, then you can connect wallet, MetaMask, then you can purchase now. And then guys, you can check here more detail growth of AI-driven tools and social media integration. This data showcase a gradual increase in the adoption of AI-driven content creation tools and their integration with social media platforms over the course of 5 years. You can check here, you can see this 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022. You can check here. And again, you can check here fragmented and overwhelming content creation landscape. You can check here social media 10, blogging platform 8, video sharing sites 6, podcast hosting 5, graphic design tools 7, analytics software 4. You can check here in today retail age, content creator, artists, makers and individual face the challenge of navigating a fragmented landscape of platform and tools to effectively promote their project, brand or ideas. They often find themselves juggling multiple membership, paying numerous fees and struggling with time-consuming process. You can check here all day. And then guys, you can check here value proposition. You can check here, and then guys, you can check here vision and mission, enabling all internet users to unlock their creative potential. You can check here, and then guys, you can check here project roadmap. Project roadmap, customer 1 2023, project conceptualization, team formation and niche research, ICO planning and strategy development. Customer 2 2024, customer 3 2024, ICO token sale and allocation, finalized platform development including bug fixing, performance optimization and security edits. You can check here our roadmap of this project creation token network. You can check here, you can see these comprehensive tools. Number 1, at the core of creation network lies an extensive collection of tools and products. You can check here. Number 2, creation networks operates with a keen sensitivity to user preferences, readily adapting to feedback to ensure the platform remains. Next, you can check here. Number 3, number 4, you can check here our comprehensive tool set. And next, you can check here our team member. Our team member, the leadership team member, you can check here Ali Tamer, CEO and co-founder, Mohammad Ittasam Asif, project manager, development and marketing, Julia Grassi, the gaming innovator, Jessica M. Karati, marketing. You can see this all is the team member. And next guys, you can check here CRNT white paper. So guys, you can download this white paper, then you can read carefully all white paper. So I download this document and see this white paper of this project CRNT. So guys, you can see the white paper PDF open. You can check here pitch deck, presentation, table of content. You can check it our table of content slide. You can see these all your tools in one place. You can see this powering your digital success. You can check here the problem we want to solve, today's solution. You can check here why it does not work. You can check here how creation network AI solve these issues, simplify implementation, affordable for small businesses, customized solutions. You can check here awesome features of creator.ai. You can check here simplifying your data strategy with creation network.ai. Number 1, sign up. Number 2, customize your dashboard. Number 3, integrate your channels. Number 4, create and manage content. Number 5, analyze and optimize value proposal. You can check here, you can see this all the white paper of this project. You can read it carefully all details, and next back to the home page and see this more detail. You can check here stage 1, you can see this stage 2, stage 3, sale and pre-sale 33%, liquidity 20%, team and advisor 12%, marketing 20%, resort 10%, content creators 3%, airdrop 2%. And next guys, you can check here we are published on. You can see this all is the platform that are published creation network. You can check here frequently asked questions. You can see this all detail. You can get contact. You can marketing at the creatornetwork.ai. You can contact us. You can see this location of this project creation network. You can see this and then guys you can enter your name, then you can enter your email, enter your message, then you can send message now. So guys, this website video is finished. If you all like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.